3 areas I like to invest my money: diamonds, gold, and guns. Check out our friends at stevesafa.com. Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today's review shooting rate is on what gun?
The FMK 9mm.
And there you have it. Chambered in 9mm, this particular variant is a single action, although they do offer a double action only. Magazine capacity is going to be at a 14+1. It is available in several colors, and it does accept Glock 19 sights.
Your barrel length on the FMK is going to come in at 4 inches, with your overall length at 6.85, your weight coming in at 23.45 ounces.
Kylie, one of the first things I notice with the FMK is the trigger is very gritty. It's not the most smooth trigger out there, certainly. There's a lot to be desired with their trigger pull. What are your thoughts on the gun as a whole? Did you enjoy shooting it? Did it recoil too much?
Recoil wasn't bad for a 9. Really not a bad shot, even though I missed all the targets. But the trigger pull is very, very long. With that being said, it makes it a downfall. It's not really one that would be on my list. But I mean, what are your thoughts, Steve, on?
So, you know, I kind of like the way that it feels in my hand. When we rate these guns, we're not just rating them based on the way they shoot, but we're rating them based on the way they shoot relative to the price point. So how good of a value is this relative to its price? The things that I would say good about it, it felt decent in my hand. I'm not a fan of the trigger pull, although in a combat situation or a defensive situation, probably wouldn't notice the trigger pull a whole lot, so it's probably okay. But I would say I'm probably, and this is more because of the price relative to the gun itself, I'm probably gonna give it about a 2 overall, for overall rating. But it was an okay shooter.
I'm probably gonna be around the same thing just because I missed all the targets. I don't want thinking that it's part of my rate.
Right, you're not giving it a 2 because you missed the targets.
Right, that's my error.
Right.
So I'm gonna say 2 to 2.5.
Yeah, and actually it handled well even. So all in all, not a bad shooter, not a horrible gun. The trigger certainly leaves a lot to be desired, but relatively speaking, we're probably looking at a lower rate, mainly because the price point relative to the gun itself is a little out of whack.
Right.
All right, guys. What do they need to do if they want to see more of our videos?
Hit the little bell down below for notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Take care. Hey guys, Steve and Jen.
Oh man!
Oops, that's Kylie. This is Kylie, Miss
Give it up for Kylie, everybody. Yay.
Yay.